BILT HARD 6.5-ton electric log splitter with stand. Honest proof it beats gas every time. The BILT HARD 6.5-ton electric log splitter with stand is a compact, electric-powered wood splitter built to replace the axe, the rented equipment, and the aching back that comes with manual splitting. It runs on a standard 120-volt household outlet, delivers 6.5 tons of hydraulic force through a 15-amp motor spinning at 3,400 RPM, and handles logs up to 20.5 inches long and 9.8 inches in diameter. The included stand raises the entire splitting surface to a comfortable 33-inch working height. No gas engine, no fumes, no bending over repeatedly for hours on end. It stores in a standard garage, rolls across your yard on 5.7-inch transport wheels, and is ready to run within minutes of setup. Imagine never dealing with a cold start gas engine or a sore back from weekend splitting again. Here are 5 reasons this machine keeps showing up in every serious firewood conversation. First, 6.5 tons of hydraulic force tears through softwoods and most hardwoods consistently, including oak and maple, without stalling mid-cycle or requiring multiple passes. Second, the 18-second cycle time with automatic ram return keeps you moving instead of standing around waiting between splits. Here is where it gets interesting. Third, the 33-inch stand height eliminates the single biggest complaint about compact electric splitters, which is back strain from bending over logs placed at ground level. One independent reviewer documented a 35% productivity increase simply by choosing the stand model over the standless version. Fourth, zero emissions and genuinely quiet electric operation mean you can work in a garage, shed, or backyard early in the morning without fumes or noise complaints. Fifth, no gas engine means no oil changes, no pull cords, and no cold start frustration whatsoever. Before this machine, processing firewood meant expensive rentals, hiring help, or spending entire weekends swinging an axe until your shoulders gave out completely. Most homeowners either underprepare for winter or overpay for pre-split firewood they could have processed themselves for a fraction of the cost. The turning point becomes obvious the first time you set a log on the beam, engage both handles, and watch the hydraulic wedge push cleanly through dense wood without any physical effort from you at all. I will be honest, I was genuinely skeptical at first about whether 6.5 tons was sufficient for harder wood species. But one verified buyer reported splitting 12-inch maple logs that technically exceeded the stated diameter rating, crediting the 3,400 RPM motor speed for the extra real-world performance. Another described processing an entire season of campfire wood in a single afternoon and saying they would never swing an axe again. After testing a few options, one thing became very clear. Don't just pick any electric log splitter. Make sure it has an included ergonomic stand with a proper 33-inch working height so you never waste your time on painful bent-back splitting sessions that turn a productive afternoon into 2 days of soreness again. The BILT HARD 6.5-ton electric log splitter with stand consistently outperforms standless competitors, not because of raw force alone, but because it lets you work longer, more comfortably, and far more efficiently per hour. Rosenberry Rooms rated the stand model 4.6 stars and named it their best ergonomics pick after direct head-to-head testing against the standless version, specifically noting zero back fatigue after 4 full hours splitting oak and hickory. The Grounded Homestead ranked it best for small spaces in their 2025 Top 3 Electric Splitters comparison, highlighting the 18-second cycle time and easy solo maneuverability as key differentiators. Verified buyers across multiple retail platforms consistently describe it as intuitive, reliable, and a clear winner over rental costs and gas machine ownership. Which matters most to you right now? Comment 1 for speed, 2 for comfort, or 3 for zero maintenance. The BILT HARD 6.5-ton electric log splitter with stand turns a painful seasonal chore into a quiet, controlled process you can genuinely look forward to. Thousands of homeowners already rely on electric splitters like this one every single season without regret. It only takes a few seconds to see if it fits your setup. My link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Go take a look. You deserve this.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.